Welcome to my channel Kids Quest. Let's explore together.
Hello kids! Let's learn
About our solar system. The sun gives us light during the day and helps us stay warm. It's the biggest and most important star in our sky. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. It's very hot during the day and super cold at night because it has no atmosphere to trap heat. Venus is similar in size and composition to Earth. It has a thick, cloudy atmosphere that makes it incredibly hot, even hotter than Mercury. Earth is our home planet. It has lots of water, which makes it unique and perfect for life. Mars is often called the red planet because of its reddish appearance. Scientists are curious about Mars and have sent robots there to explore. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system, and it has a big, swirling storm called the Great Red Spot. It's like a giant ball of gas, and it has a lot of moons, too. Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings, which are made of bits of ice and rock. It's like a cosmic jewelry store. Uranus is a very cold and windy planet, and it rolls on its side as it orbits the sun. It's a bit different from the other planets because it spins differently. Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun, and it's really windy and stormy. It has a dark spot called the Great Dark Spot that's like a huge storm. Explore, learn, and be amazed by the unique planets in our solar system through books, websites, and telescopes. Thank you. See you soon.
Please like and share the video and subscribe the channel for more videos.